So this technique is called the rolling golpe, and it's not a traditional name. So just so you know that some footwork patterns in flamenco have a name, and others are just kind of made up in English as we go. This is one of them. So this one is golpe, tacón, tacón. So flat, heel, heel, and we alternate. So we have flat, heel, heel, flat, heel, heel. So they alternate. So we have, again, right, left, right, left, right, left. And we can use this footwork in various time signatures. So if we're in 12s, we can do each step on the beat. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can also do it syncopated. 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we can do all three sounds on one beat. That would be 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so let's just do those three segments together. And of course, if you're a brand new beginner, you just do maybe the first one. All right, so 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. And 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Syncopated. And 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the beat. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you notice that the time, the compás, or the tempo is the same the entire time, and I'm doing the exact same technique, but I'm speeding up the technique to fill in more space. All right, let's do that same thing on the left. 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And syncopated. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the beat. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ole. So practice that on your own with solo compás.